Hi Kickstarters, I'm Tom, and this is Voltset. Being a maker for about 30 years, we believe smarter tools can empower people and make all the difference. Voltset is the first intelligent multimeter made for your smartphone. It is super easy to use, runs a lot of cool and useful apps, and connects seamlessly by USB. It is exceptionally accurate and customizable to your needs. Voltset is absolutely safe for you and your smartphone to use. No bulky and dialing knobs anymore. What makes Voltset so different? Voltset intelligently provides information based on your reading. For instance, if you measure a car battery, Voltset will tell you the normal measurement range for a good battery. Or, if you measure a wall socket, it shows you a diagram of the wire configuration. Instead of just a reading, Voltset senses what you're doing and helps you to master your task. Voltset is able to provide you with advanced features and solve complex calculations for you. For example, Voltset has built-in equations that can give you direct results. Voltset automatically can fill in live data into Excel spreadsheets. Using preset functions, results can be populated into the next columns instantaneously. Voltset does the calculation for you, no more writing down numbers and plugging them into a calculator. Voltset speeds up and simplifies the process for even the advanced users. Charts and logs starts automatically and can be shared easily with the press of a button. Voltset is very versatile. It can be customized to your specific projects and needs.
Hi, my name is Winston. I'm the R&D engineer at Zycon. We are developing the new generation of electronic ink displays. Voltset is a great tool in our lab. Its logging function keeps track of my measurements.
Voltset is made by makers for makers. We're building an open source and collaborative ecosystem of makers and people interested in electronics. In the near future, you'll be able to upload and download step-by-step tutorials to share with makers from all over the world. We hope you are as excited as we are to put Voltset into your hands. And now is the time to make it happen. We hope you can become part of Voltset's kickstart into the world. You can make a difference by sharing this project with your friends. Every dollar counts. So thank you for your time and consideration.